What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Diego's Garage. Today we're going to be installing a 2024 digital mirror from the newer trucks onto my 2016 Silverado. I always wanted to do this mod since for a while now. I found a good deal on a mirror off a parts truck back in Houston for $300. Includes the camera, the cable, and the digital mirror itself. Supposed to be plug in, just need to route the mirror, and I also need to drill the third brake light to fit the camera in and super glue it. Ain't nothing to it but to do it, so let's get to it.
You're goddamn right.
Alright guys, this is the mirror we're going to be installing on the truck. It's from a 2024 newer body style truck. And here's the wiring, here's the camera. This goes in your third brake light, you got to drill it in. And then install it, super glue it, should be good. Matt Ross has a pretty good video on how to do this. So let's do it. This mod I'm doing to the truck is my 2016 Chevy Silverado High Country. I had it for 5 years now. Done a little work to it just recently, like last year, 2024, mid-year. I just started doing parts to it, modding it and all that. It has a stage 2 truck cam kit from Texas Speed, DOD delete, etc. 1/7/8 long tube headers with white pipe, catback exhaust from Borla, the Attack model, IHC suspension, 3.5 flooring kit, Caltrax, Cosmos wheels, the list goes on. But yeah, honestly, I should have done a video vlog about it. Just at the time I didn't, the light bulb didn't turn off, but I'm excited to do this mod. Let's get to it. Alright, first we're gonna remove the bezel that's right here. Got everything out the way. I took off the dome light / glasses holder. Should be plug and play. Slide this in. Yeah, I had to free the clip that was mounted here onto the bracket. Just take it off so it can reach to the other connector. Okay. Sweet. Check that out. Let's see if it works. Check that out. Cool. Obviously it won't work because the camera is not connected. Oh, we're gonna do that right now. But next we're gonna take off that third brake light. Japanese bald eagles, yo. Oh, this is my roommate's TRD Camry. Alright, that's off. Now we just gotta drill the hole right there. I got the third brake light off. What I'm gonna do is just open up the hole here with the Dremel, so that way I could just put the camera in, see how it fits. It's pretty bulky, but I'll make it work. Hopefully it doesn't interfere with the bulb. Well, let's try it out. Got it off, ready to go. Alright, got the hole open. Nice and cut, not the prettiest of holes, but it's enough for the camera to get in. Now I just gotta drill in the hole for the camera. Just gonna pretty much eyeball it. There is a little divot. I'm just gonna like drill below it. Go from there. 5/8. By the way, if you see this circle, that means it's goes underneath. Check that out. Kind of flush, somewhat, but it'll work. I just gotta super glue it, let that cure, and make it work. Now we just gotta wire up the truck. Ran the wire through the headliner. All right, now next is gotta reroute this wire underneath the headliner. I don't have a sunroof, so I gotta go pull these tabs off, pull the headliner off, run it through there. And move to the back where the third brake light's at. Alright, got the cable ran through above the headliner. Got it right here outside on the cab. And just need to connect it now. Got the camera all hooked up, super glue, it's already cured. Need to connect it now. I could put these screws on, but let's make sure it works first before I put the bolts back on, or screws. Alright, let's check it out. There you go.
X-band, K-band, Ka-band, laser, GPS connected.
There's a brightness level. Zoom in, zoom out. You can level it. Yeah, it's those three options. Cool, works. Let's put those screws on and call it a day. I'm overall pretty satisfied with the outcome with the new mirror. It looks great. Makes the truck look newer inside, more modern. I have no more wires from the dash cam hanging out anymore. I tucked it all in. But yeah, it was pretty straightforward process. It was pretty easy. Just gotta take time. But yeah, I do recommend this for your truck. Well, there you have it, folks. I hope this video helps on how to install a digital rear view mirror. I'm pretty satisfied with the results. I've always been wanting to do this for a long time. As always, thank you guys for watching my videos. Please like and subscribe for Diego's Garage and more videos to come. The Camaro is still undergoing. Transmission should be done soon. See you guys in the next one. Peace.